How to program the TX7130 reflective beam detector using the handheld programmer. The DP switch is set to disabled mode. Connect the programmer to S1/S2 with the power off. Switch on the programmer. Press button 1 to view the address and sensitivity. Press exit to return to the menu. To adjust the sensitivity, press button 3 to access sensitivity and span settings. 1 for high sensitivity, 2 for medium, 3 for low. Press 0/page to highlight the span field. Enter. 1 for 8 to 20 meters, 2 for 20 to 40 meters, 3 for 40 to 70 meters, 4 for 70 to 100 meters. Press right to save the new settings. You have now learned how to program the TX7130 beam detector using the handheld programmer.